All right. We were doing color stuff. Let's keep doing color stuff. It's my intro. Let me see where we left off. We were calculating light, dark. All right, let's just run it. Oh my God. Maybe I'm wrong. We're gonna have to change how we pull it in because we have base light dark. Stories. Look up color. We need to start refactoring the look code every time we see it. Default color. We're switching over HSL. Doesn't matter. I don't know. That's not how. What's the format of HSL? Let's look at color, thumbnail colors at JSON. Oh, I didn't round it. HSL %%. Is that what CSS takes? I assume so. CSS, HSL. Base. Right, light and dark were never converted. Okay. Oh, wait, rounds. All right, those are now on the right format. Accept. Match. Let's see. Except that's not what we're returning. Let's see. Look up color. We want to get. we're using it, look up color. Slug. I mean, which version we want, I guess. Name. Type. I don't like using the word type. Slug. Version, whatever. Return match your version. All right, so let's look up color. Slug. Background color, we want light. All right, see how we did. It's very interesting. I'm actually going to throw on the style, oops, color, the same thing, just to see. Just to see if worked. Dark. Really don't like that formatting. Is that the best we got? That could be it. Oh, actually, no, what I bet. We want our link color. Like it's getting overwritten color. Oh, tease. Where's tease coming from? Oh, tease is there. So color. Let's get rid of tease. No. Doesn't appear to be picking it up. Story. There we go. All right, we can see it's doing the minimal. So it should be like contrast ratio of what, like 4.5, I think I said. And interesting. Chrome, it actually tells you. Let's switch over to Chrome real quick. Yep, 4.62, 4.85, 4.62. All right, so technically it's working. What I don't like is that the real light colors got a lot of variety. The real light colors got a little washed out. So I'm wondering if we just set the luminance to be the same for all of them, get some uniformity there. As if we go back to our docs, which I don't have anymore, ambient color, ambient color. Yep, see, look, we can just set the lightness. So let's go ahead and do that. So maybe, I'm trying to think, maybe we do it on color here, maybe say const same lightness equals C dot lightness 50. I don't know if it returns. I think it returns rather than sets. Hard to say. So let's just go with like 20. Actually, let's see. Console dog C. Before and after. Get a sense of what's going down. All right, so I must return a new one. Same light equals. So that should look different. But it's definitely different. Okay, well, you definitely see the HSL 20 there, so it must be what we're looking for. I want a better name for this. Base, because I want to maybe keep that original color flat. Like they're all flat, they're all the same. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, flat. I'm assuming all these are, this might be a moot point if I do it this way, because it's just based on luminosity, right? I think so. Flat. 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 Yeah, I'm assuming those are all gonna be the same. Whatever, we wrote the function, I'm proud of it. Okay. So now if we look at these, yes, I think they're, that one's weird. They definitely look more similar. Also crazy. Make sure thumbnails. I didn't. Oh, well, I left that in there. Shoot, what I'm looking for. I didn't even use it. Wow, good job. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I wanted lightness to be high, not dark. It's not. It's the opposite of opacity. That's sad. It's all white. Am I confused about what lightness can be? F. Oh, because that's starting by lighting it. Okay. Let's start at 0 here. All right, so it's jumping up to 100 by default. Yeah, this function is definitely probably unnecessary. Let's, man, I really like doing all my fancy math. So I think it could, let's not even do this. Let's just, no, that should still work, right? Because f dot lighten delta is 0. I guess we should start at 0.01. So it's a little different. And let's do some logging. And let's get ahead of myself. Score. That shouldn't be the case. All right, so we start with a very high lightness. Why is lightness delta? Hue, saturation, lightness. So we started light and dark. Yeah, okay. Oh, because we're starting that so differently. And this is a dumb idea. I don't want to change L. We want L to be constant. So now it's just make D darker until it hits. So this is really just kind of mood. And so I'm assuming it's always going to end up here at 31.19 for all colors. Let's just do a quick. 30.39, 31.19. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay. Whatever. Give me knowing nothing about. So I don't even need a lightness. So it's actually light or L. I don't even need flat. Valid. So this is assuming that we want to go with a standard light color. Eight. Yes, that is uniform. And that is great. We're not using these colors for this. I think we're still planning on using just the darker color, but now we've got one for other reasons if we need it. And just to be double check, yep, 4.55, 4.46. So that's like the minimum viable. You could also bump up to 7. This is awesome. Okay, very exciting. And I think it actually looks better because it doesn't jump around as much. Sweet. Then we go back and reset. So I'm not even sure we will need base, but we'll keep it there maybe. Actually, no, I'm going to get rid of base. Just because it's going to eat up base. Gray palette. Space. Next up. Oh yeah, let me go back. I don't want to include. Now, I'm just going to stick with that. I didn't see. We got some text off. Okay. Let's commit that back here. This one, let's look at other ones, but this one should be pretty straightforward. Basically, the idea is if someone starts typing in here, I'm thinking you should jump back to the top. Because if you're typing like, and you're far down, I feel like that's not useful. I'm going to add that. If people hate it, we can get rid of it. So let's go to search and go with a focus equals jump. Jump in view. And we want to jump to, I guess, actually, that's a good point. Where do we want to? We want to jump to, this thing is sticky. So we really want to jump to top of the story, which is in a different, or stories, which is in a different place. So maybe that'll be like a event that bubbles up. So we'll dispatch an event on search focus. Create event dispatcher. Oh yeah, why is that so? Export lit, we got some consts. So you separate the functions and the variables. All right, create event dispatcher. Const dispatch. We can just do it inline on search dispatch. Oh, we'll handle it on search focus. Dispatch. Search focus. Just focus. Yeah. I don't think we're doing anything else. So let's go to home, search. Should be able to do an on focus. Search focus. Constants. Focused. See if we did that right. Focused. Okay. I could do it when you type in. I feel like you're about to type. I'm going to do it on the focus. I like that better. But we could just as easily dispatch that event once the search has gone through. Okay, so we want to basically go to where stories starts. So how about we say bind? Let's look at stories. Because really just want to, I mean, I suppose we could just pull up the ID. I like doing it all in the component itself. So how about we say, few ways to do this. Jump. Jump. All right, so on search focus, we execute the jump function, which is from stories. And that means in stories, we need to export that. So export const jump equals right now we'll just log it. Jump into view. All right, let's see if we did all that right. So now when we focus, we broke something. Jump is not a function. Expert const jump. Should I need to bind jump? There we go. Jump into view is called. So now basically it can handle jumping to where it exists. I think I like it's a little roundabout, but I think I like that because then this component knows about itself. So that means this component also needs a what does it need? It needs an element. Store. This equals here we can say section L dot top. Yeah. Scroll Y. Shoot, is it a function? Terrible job here. Get DOM element. It's like a million times. Never. Wait, it was scroll top. Come on. Get out of here. What's that here? Oh, because that's scrolling. We need to maybe do get client rect. Const. There we go, negative 1620. If it's here, it should be positive. Yep, okay. So we can say window dot scroll to 0. Window dot scroll I plus top. Did it. Perfect. Now let's just give it a little padding. Nice. 64. I don't like magic numbers, but Oops. Great. So then when you type, you actually see the top results. That's the point. So it's like, oh. Yeah, maybe it is better on type. I'm going to do that. Search instead of on focus. We'll do it to whenever I guess highlight changes. Oh, whenever query. I guess when we can just say query dot length equal to chars dispatch. So now we focus in, it doesn't do anything. But once we type like and oh. Huh. We typed in query.length is greater than equal to min chars. How is that dispatching? There we go. City. Great. Did that. All right, this one I'm not excited about. So this is like a specifically SvelteKit situation. Right, so SvelteKit thing. Where am I seeing this? Oh yeah, so like in a page like pitch. That's not. Yes, perfect example. So this doesn't have rel external. And I don't want to have to do that custom. However, let me actually see if it's a problem because like that would be easy. Oh yeah, like these should all be rel external. That's gonna be annoying to code up. Well, those ones are easy. Same with that actually. Well, that doesn't have to be. Maybe this isn't a problem. Good example, there's one. Yeah, so I was trying to think if there's a way to, so like, let's take this one for example. So if we were trying to run build, it will break because Well, first of all, it's just a bad link. So why am I even doing that? Oh, there we go. So perfect example. That should be rel external, but we don't necessarily want all things to be rel external. I mean, I suppose I could put that here. Maybe that's what I need to do right now is go through and the problem is when it's like in the HTML. So I do have an example of that. Run this again. Let's find one of those examples. Yes. So me linking to an Instagram page. I don't want to have to somewhere in here. Where is it? Yep. So there's an href. It's already annoying enough. I don't want to make everyone have to remember rel external. So I was thinking, if we spy, okay, so I can definitely handle them here, but if maybe in the Google Doc, so like, let's look at where that data is coming from, right? So that's coming from authors.csv ultimately. HTTPS. So I could look for any, also that's not nice. Why are there ticks in there? Okay. Where was I going with this? Oh yeah. So I could just do a big find and replace for hrefs like this. And basically like just inject it with rel equals external. So I think that might be the easiest solution. I'm going to give that a whirl, which means it's going to be the easiest place would be to do it in there before I write it out. So in our fetch Google script, so returning a string, const externalize rel external inject let's try this. So it'll be return place. Okay, so basically what I want to look for is a href equals. Not sure if that's special or if it's going to be able to find that, but whatever. I'm going to try to replace it with a href, a rel, external href. Let's hope I don't get into any issues here. I always forget if I like need to escape that or not. That'll tell me pretty quickly. Cat, is she sleeping? Right, well, no errors. If we look at author, .csv, let's look for Instagram. It didn't work. Cool. Guess I don't need the equals, first of all. Oh. Let me just, yeah. Trust myself. Great, okay. Big old string, right? It's just a string. Yeah, it's just a string. It says okay, should have already done authors. Bummer. What am I doing wrong? Why? It's true, I don't even need that. Hmm. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's working. It's working this whole time. I'm just not using the return value. Look at that. Good job. All right, well, that's technically more accurate. That's a sign that I need to stop. Boom. All right, that's what I wanted to do. So basically anywhere that it's being injected as HTML, I've got that covered now. And if it is somewhere like where I'm just looping through and putting the URL myself, I can control it. So I think all my bases are covered. Oh, that takes that away. Interesting. Okay, that's it for today. Peace.